everybody, welcome to Designs by Dina. I am Dina Ray. My husband will be here shortly, I think. I don't know. He's watching UK football. So, you know, I see who ranks. So it's Wounded Heroes Fisher House. And you guys, it's an amazing, amazing thing. It's kind of like the Ronald McDonald House, you know, for St. Jude's, where they put you up and you don't have to pay anything. It's just a great cause, and I couldn't be more proud to, hey, look who's here. I couldn't be more proud to be a part of it. So, let's get started, because we're on a time limit, you know, and yeah, I like to talk, Kenny likes to talk, so we better get started. So let me just start by saying I'm using this wood panel from the Hobby Lobby, and it is a 12 by 16. And I'm not gonna use the inside part, I'm gonna use the outer part. So I'm gonna use this side. And it's not gonna require any painting on the board, because I love that color, and it's gonna go well with my scrapbook paper. Look at that. Guys, this is from my scrapbooking store years ago. But you know what? It's still good. So I was like, I have to use it. You want to say hi?
Hey everybody, hope you're having a great night.
Okay, so we're going to start by Mod Podging that on. And you know, I love the iron-on method. So that's what we're going to be doing.
after. So you ready to
Okay,
start the
so
bidding on
yes,
this?
yes.
And I'll put the hand up whenever we get done.
Alexa, start a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now. By
Start.
the way, during this busy time of year, I can remind you to do something later so you don't forget. Just say, remind me.
No, thank you. Okay, I guess she thinks I need reminded, which I do. Okay, ready?
I'm
so
ready.
it started. All right, let's just start the bid at 25, you guys, because it's a great cause. So 25,
Just check.
25, 25, 50, Victoria Niles.
We got 50.
We got 50, we got 50, do we got 51? I can't do it. My second son was born in Hawaii, Lisa Kid. Awesome.
There's Lisa Gordon.
Oh, don't forget, no dollar signs, just the number.
So we got 50 on this fine
50
piece.
is the highest bid so far. And then Kenny will put the hand up after 75, Carolyn Akers. Thank you. B50, thank you. I can't read.
I'm going to click on it.
Doreen's.
Doreen
Okay.
said it's super cute.
Thank you guys. We go through there quite a bit. I haven't been there in like a long time. I'm sure it's changed a lot. What's the highest bid?
The high bid right now is 75. Carolyn
75. We got 75, 75.
Akers. We have 80.
Do we have 80? I can't think fast enough to be a
When you're just talking, you're not thinking.
75, 75. Wait, who had 75? I can't remember.
Carolyn Akers.
Carolyn Akers, that's right. Ooh, it's hot in here.
So we got 75 right now.
75 is the highest bid, guys. Gotta go higher than 75. I see some coming through, but they're not over 75. Oh, I made Vera's Alexa go off. 80, Glenda. Thank you so much. 80 from Glenda. B81. Carolyn Akers, 90.
Here comes
We're
the
waiting
hand.
for the hand. Alexa, stop. 91. 91. B has it for Carolyn Akers, 100. There's the hand. Carolyn Akers, you got it for 100. Thank you so much.